Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, like and subscribe. Also comment down below.
We're gonna keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken.
Today I'm gonna be sharing with you a DIY rice face scrub. So let's get to it. The rice has been washed and sun-dried. Because of pesticides, we don't know where it's coming from, so I had to wash and dry. Make sure it's dry, completely dry, because you're going to be storing it. You can use any rice, either brown or white, but I'm using white. You can either use a mortar and a pestle, but I am using blender, which is way better. Fill it up with 1 cup of rice. Grind up the rice until the grains are smaller, but not too smooth, because you still need small rounded grains that will act like exfoliating beads. Add any of your essential oil. I am using tea tree oil. I added 6 drops of tea tree oil. Rice has an amazing absorbing properties. It helps soak up excess oil from skin and reduce chances of blocked pores and acne. It acts as a wonderful exfoliator. It helps remove dead cells from skin and unveil clear, soft, glowy skin. It contains vitamin B. It also helps the skin in production of collagen, which in turn makes the skin naturally elastic and stay firm. It serves as a natural sunscreen. Rice also suits sunburn and prevent the skin from suntan. It should look like this, not too smooth, not too powdery, a little bit of coarseness. You can store it in a jar in a cool, dry place. It can be used with honey, which is full of antioxidants. It's antibacterial, which helps in acne treatment and prevention. It can also be used with aloe vera, which helps fight acne, treats sunburn, serves as a moisturizer, adding moisture to your skin. For a simple rice scrub, just use with water. It can be used as a face scrub, body scrub, any scrub. So guys, in my subsequent videos, I'll be showing you all the benefit of rice scrubs for acne and dark spots, hyperpigmentation. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. See you all next time.